This is a Canadian car show, and today I'm taking you on a tour of the best ones you need to visit in 2025. There's something special about the car scene up here: roaring crowds, gleaming chrome, and the smell of high-octane fuel mixed with fresh poutine. It's more than cars, it's a community. From massive international shows to small-town meetups, the Canadian circuit has a unique charm. Maybe it's the long winters, maybe it's the friendly spirit, but the camaraderie is real. You'll find yourself chatting with owners, debating engines, and making new friends. 2025 is shaping up to be a huge year for Canadian car enthusiasts. So why not plan the ultimate cross-country road trip? We're going coast to coast, and I'll show you the must-see shows. Buckle up, our Canadian car show tour starts now. Our journey begins on the West Coast with the Vancouver International Auto Show. This is where automakers unveil their latest models, and you can test drive the newest EVs. Think Teslas, Lucids, Rivians. Specialty exhibits range from vintage Ferraris to iconic movie cars, reflecting Vancouver's vibrant car culture. Arrive early to beat the crowds and kick off your tour in style. Next stop, Calgary, where horsepower rules. The Calgary International Auto and Truck Show is massive, featuring everything from lifted trucks to sleek sports cars. The city's summer is packed with car events and legendary meetups like the Radium Car Show, where classic American muscle takes center stage. The energy is electric, the variety is unmatched. Calgary is a must-visit for any car lover. In Edmonton, you get a perfect mix of innovation and classic car culture. The Edmonton Auto Show features major manufacturers, tech showcases, and a strong focus on new automotive technologies. Local car clubs bring everything from hot rods to JDM legends, making it feel like a citywide celebration. Edmonton's friendly, passionate community makes this show truly special. Now to Toronto for the Canadian International Auto Show, the country's biggest. Hypercars, JDM icons, and interactive tech displays fill the Metro Toronto Convention Centre. It's an all-day immersive experience with something for everyone. From million-dollar exotics to virtual reality simulators, Toronto sets the national standard. If you can only pick one, this is it. Ottawa's car scene is all about inclusivity and community. At the Ottawa-Gatineau International Auto Show, you'll see classics parked next to Teslas, with owners swapping stories. Year-round meets and events like the Capital City Car Show bring out an incredible mix of vehicles. No snobbery, just pure automotive passion. In Saskatoon, the Show and Shine is pure prairie charm. Downtown streets fill with classic and custom cars, creating a festival atmosphere. The emotional highlight, the engine rev tribute, a thunderous moving salute to car community members past and present. It's a must-see for heart and soul. Our final stop, Penticton's Peach City Beach Cruise in the Okanagan Valley. Classic cars line the lakefront, with mountains and sun as the backdrop. It's a relaxed 3-day celebration of North American classics, run by passionate volunteers. The perfect, scenic end to our road trip. That's your coast-to-coast guide to Canada's best car shows in 2025. From high-tech debuts to heartfelt community events, there's something for every enthusiast. Start planning. Nothing beats experiencing these shows in person. Which show are you most excited for? Did I miss your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you on the road.